Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can write proper description for your YouTube videos. So in this video I will tell you how I write my video description and grow my YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all I am going to show you my results. After that I will tell you how to do that and how we can write proper description for your YouTube video. Let's search for a keyword and I will show you my video is ranking on YouTube first page on 4th number. You can see that our video is here. So how I rank my video with, so I will tell you step by step guide here. Okay, if you follow my description style, you will able to rank your YouTube videos in YouTube search as well as in Google search as well. Okay, let me show you how my video ranking on Google search. Okay, let's search for a video keyword here and I'm going to type my keyword and let's search. Now scroll down and you can see this is my video. It is ranking on Google's first page and it is very important for gaining views. Okay, so let's check other video. So I'm going to search my other video as well and you can see it is also ranking on Google's page. So it will generate organic views on your channel, and if you got views you will get subscribers. So simple is that. So let's start and I will tell you how to do that. Okay, so just search here my keyword and go to that video description, how I write my description. So first, always put your title in your description. First is your title, so always paste your same title in your description as well. After that, just write any of the description which is related to your video. If you are reading, if you are making English video, Hindi video, put that descriptions properly. Okay, after that use hashtags. Okay, always use hashtags. You can use up to 10, but I will suggest only use 5 to 6 hashtags in your description. Okay, so just put 4 here and other 2 in other places. Okay, after that just put your related videos section and related videos and playlist in your video description, and you can see all topic covered section. Here I paste my 5 keywords related to my video. Okay, it is very important, so you need to paste that as well. After that you can paste your Amazon affiliate products, like which mic I have used, which laptop, which mobile I am using. Just paste that affiliate links. It is optional, but you can use this as well. After that you can put your social media profiles. It is most important guys, because it will increase your channel authority. If your channel authority is good, you will get more views and more subscribers. Okay, so it is most important. After that paste your title again and always use 3 titles according to your description size. Okay, if you write 1000 words, if you write 2000 words, you can increase your title limits and title repetition. So I am using 3 repetitions of my title. It will use to indicate Google search engine or YouTube search engine to access the title and video, which video about. Okay, so it is very useful. Okay, so you can see it is my notepad and I always do the same job here for video description. So I will tell you how to paste and how to set your video description to your YouTube videos. It is very simple guys. If you don't know, then watch this video till the end. Okay, just copy your description part here after complete. Okay, so after all the description part complete, just copy that, open your YouTube Studio application, find your video which you want to add description. Okay, click on edit section, go to description part and remove all the details which you pasted before and paste here. And you can see now my description is very formatted and it is very good, in good format guys. So you can follow this description style and you will definitely get good views and good subscribers on your YouTube videos. Okay, in the next video I will tell you how you can properly set your YouTube tags. It is very important as well, so watch my next video, and next video will be best. Okay, so watch this video next and you will able to set tags on your YouTube videos properly. So we will meet in the next video. You will have my playlist, YouTube playlist, in the video description, so access that playlist. You will get YouTube tips and tricks videos there.